Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change time on Acura MDX. First, locate the clock button on your dashboard, usually near the audio controls. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the hour display starts flashing. This indicates the system is now in time-setting mode and you are ready to make adjustments. Once the hour is flashing, use the H button to adjust the hour. Each press will advance the hour by one. Similarly, use the M button to set the minutes. It's important to remember you might need to cycle through a full 24 hours to ensure you set the correct AM or PM time for your vehicle. After you have set both the hour and minute to your desired time, simply press the clock button one more time. This action will save your adjustments and the time display will stop flashing. Always take a moment to verify that the displayed time is accurate and reflects the current time. Keep in mind that some Acura MDX models might offer automatic time zone adjustments, but many require manual changes. You will also need to manually adjust for daylight saving time if your specific system does not handle it automatically. For more great deals and to learn about the new Kindle Paperwhite, please check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.